Don't be afraid to ask questions. Seriously, the best ideas usually start with one. Because when people start looking for answers together, that's when real progress starts. Bring purpose to your data and people who have got a fire in their belly. When business and IT finally play on the same field, that's when the world changes. That's what 3CordAI was built for, to give every team the courage and tools to integrate knowledge in your IT infrastructure with your rules. Here, collaboration becomes action through two powerful modes, which are accessed through our forums page. Ask mode, where teams can form communities that build the cornerstones of evidence, and mission mode, where together we operationalize knowledge. In Ask mode, communities collaborate around shared data, governed by your security policies, building trustworthy evidence with automated data quality checks, auditable AI, and a risk-aware 24/7 IT partner, turning your idea into ready-to-execute solutions. In mission mode, insights become action, generating requirement documents, scheduling refreshes, and triggering workflows, securely and automatically. With 3CordAI, every question builds organizational intelligence, every mission drives progress, every connection strengthens trust. 3CordAI, connecting people, purpose, and action, building the future of your organization together.